Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about how to download the Android source code. Okay, so let's begin. Before starting that, I would like to highlight some of the other tools that we are using to download the Android operating system. So the first thing that most of you all are always aware about it, that is a Git. Okay, so we are so Git handle the large project that are distributed over a multiple repository. Android uses Git for local operations such as branch, commit, different, and edit. One of the challenge is setting the Android project was determine how the best support of outside the community. So basically, we are using Git in Android operating in Aosp, but we are not publishing all our Aosp code in a one single Git project. Okay, we are basically what we do. We will create a different projects for our operating system. Okay, for let me give you an example of it. Let's go to a Android code search. Basically it will contain the Android operating system code base. Here we can select the platform project. Here we also set which Android operating system we want to see we want to see the code base. Okay, uh, it have contained all the Android operating systems code base. Okay, let's take an example of 32 Android 12 R32. Okay, here you can take an example. You're seeing that okay, so basically it will contain a complete Android ASP code. And let's suppose an example, like in framework and in AV stands for audio video. Okay, we have created a project for framework audio video. Okay, and it is a separate project in Android. If you go to Android github, you will come to know that this is a separate project. As the same thing is applied to others, like take an example of devices. Okay, in Google, and in Google you have seen this. Okay, ATB bar Benito kernel Coral. Okay, all these are a separate project. So basically what we have done in Android operating system, we have created a different Git projects, so that it will be easier the to handle the Android operating system in an efficient way. Okay, so coming back to our topic, next is a repo. What is a repo? Repo unify the Git repository. Okay, here you can see from that, it will do nothing. It just unified the Git repository into a single bundle. Okay, and those this bundle that we have combined all the code is managed by the Gerrit version control. Gerrit. Okay, and this is the Gerrit. So let me again tell you. First, we have what we have do. We have a complete Android operating system project, and what we will do, we will first divide it into a different Git repositories, and after that, so to manage all those repository, what we have done, we have using the Gerrit, which will handle and manage all the Git repository into a single entity. And to manage the Gerrit, we are using a tool that is called a repo. Basic So you understand, I hope you understand the flow of that flow of Android operating flow of ASP. So next thing is Gerrit. Gerrit is a web based code review system. for project that use the git that I have already explained you that basically what it will do, it will handle all the git project that we have created for Android operating system are being handled by the Gerrit encourage a more centralized use of git by allowing all authorized user to submit the change, which are automatically merged if they have passed the code review. Okay. The next thing come is Android code search. Android code search is nothing, it's just a web based tool, web-based repository handle web-based repository handler, which is used to get the code base of different Android releases. Whenever Android come a new release, it will upload it in a Android code search, and you can take a reference from that. Most of the time, whenever you are stuck in something and want to understand the code flow of Android, you are basically you are using the Android code search, because in this it will very fast to search the things and first very fast to search the code. Okay, so let's come to a practical. Follow these steps to repo. First we have to do run first we have to run this command: sudo update sudo apt get update, and after that we have to install the sudo install repo. Okay, if you are facing some issue in installing the repo, then you can use this legacy option, legacy way, you have run this command, but what basically it will doing, it will first copy this tool from this URL and save it at your home directory. And after doing that, you can run this command repo version. It will provide you, if it will give you a result like something similar to that, in which they have giving you a revision version. Okay, it may be vary, it is a 2.15, maybe your version is higher. Okay, that's all from the control tools. So let's come to how we are how we download the Android source. So first, as we have already know that first we have to create, let's suppose we have created a directory of Aosp. Okay, so first make a directory Aosp and then come to that directory Aosp, and after that we have to initialize the username and email of our git user, and after that we will initialize our repo by using the URL. This is basically, it will download the manifest from the Gerrit, and we can also use the -b master. -b stands for branch, we are referring to a master branch. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay, after doing that, what we have to do, we have to do repo sync. Okay, we can also you can skip this command, and it will be good if you run this command, because repo sync -c means that it will get the current branch, and -j8 stand for number of thread count. Current In this context, current branch refer to a branch that you have selected previously. It will check out all the commits of git repository from the current branch. As I have already told you that they we have a multiple git repository. It will check out the current branch that has been mentioned, that has been linked or mentioned in the Gerrit. You can also use this -q for quiet. It will not to provide you lot of logs. It will just giving you a log if something some error is occurring. And then authorization, and here they have mentioning that how you can set up your local mirror. Okay, Okay, that's all from our today's topic. I hope you're doing well. Bye.